In this video, I'm going to show how to embed a YouTube video on website like a pro with a principle that can help you to embed any video. Now, in order to do this, open your YouTube. Here, select any video you want to embed on your website by clicking on the video side here, these three line dots. Click on it. Now, click on share. Now, copy it. Now, we have get the link. Now, go to your notes. Create a note. Paste the link. Now, after pasting the link, now I will show you how to use AI in order to generate the embedded link for this YouTube link. Now, compose it like this. Ask the AI to generate it like this. You see how I create it. I ask the AI to create an embedded web code using this YouTube link. You see the link and see the aspect ratio here, and make it in this aspect ratio. You see the aspect ratio, then you will remove this one is not included and make it in this aspect ratio. You see it. Now let's generate it. Let me remove this one. Now, in order to generate this thing, you can use any AI platform, but I prefer you use Smart Typer, the keyboard which I will use to generate this. See how it works. Let me switch to my Smart Typer. Here, click on the Smart Typer. Now go back to the notes. Here on my Smart Typer keyboard, I'll just click on this generate response. As you can see, the AI have generated the embedded link, embedded code for it. You see it. Now let's copy this. Let me switch back to my Yandex keyboard, which is flexible and also which I use in editing text. You see it. Now let me copy it. Now go to your website where you want to paste it. Open your website. Inside my blogger blog, which I will use, but this will work in every website. Now click on the place you want to paste it. Now go to the back end, which is the HTML version of the website. Now paste the code. You see, now save it. Confirm. Now let me show you how this work. See how it goes. Now you see it. You see the link. You see the embedded video here. You see it. You see it. You see it. That's how this work. If you are onboarding this channel for the first time, consider like, subscribe and hit on the bell icon for more AI tool and tech related guide. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.